Hi Coffee Beans! How's it brewing? So I thought for the fabulous month of February, I could do a month full of Valentine's and love-themed crafts. And what better way to kick off a month of love than with resin heart container earrings? Now, I know you may be thinking, what? A heart container? What does Zelda have to do with Valentine's Day? Well, duh! Throughout the entire game, you're collecting hearts, heart pieces, and heart containers. So, now you can make your very own heart container earrings to show how much you love Zelda. I have these silicone mats that have a little heart logo embedded in the corner, and they're perfect for making little resin hearts. I searched all over Target and Michael's in the craft department and the baking department for silicone mats, but the only thing I could find were really big and really expensive. But my husband, who's a genius, was like, why don't you look in the baby food aisle? And it was so obvious because we used to have silicone mats like this for our daughter, so duh, of course they would be there. So I got this little 2-pack for about $6. I'll put a link in the description in case there's some on Amazon that maybe you can get cheaper. So to get started, you'll need eye pins and fishhook earrings. First, we'll take our jeweler's pliers, or needle nose pliers, and open one of the loops in order to connect the two pieces. Then we'll need to measure the length of wire we'll need for our heart. You can lay your wire on top of the heart and cut it in the middle. It doesn't need to go all the way through to the bottom of the heart. Drop your UV resin into the mold. I used a toothpick to gently move the resin around and to fill in the gaps. Next, you'll add your heart glitter to the center of the resin. Then, carefully lay your wire down onto your resin, trying to center it as best as you can. Then, cure it for a few minutes. Next, we'll remove it from the mold and flip it over. Then, dome the other side with resin. One thing that's kind of unfortunate is that this heart glitter I used was kind of cheap quality, so the color sort of bled off a little bit. But you could also use heart printed off of your computer. So far I haven't had any trouble with printer ink bleeding, so that might be a better option. And there we are! Our first earring is done! Now we'll just follow all of those same steps for earring number 2. Finally, because the glitter bled a little and because you can see the posts from the wires, I decided to add another heart to each side before doming it a final time in resin. And you're all done! You could even add some beads or glitter to your earrings to make them even more sparkly. But I really like how simple these are, and they catch the light really well. Even if you're not a Zelda fan, these are the perfect earrings for a Valentine's Day out, and you'll be sure to get a bunch of compliments. Thanks for watching, everyone! Stay tuned for our next Valentine's craft next Monday. Comment below or use hashtag BunnieDIY on Instagram for a shout out in my next video. I'd really love to see your creations. You guys gave me so much love in my last couple of videos, I cannot tell you how much I appreciate it. I want to say a big thank you to Geek Girl on Wheels, Nesreen A, Kitty Lunabelle, Samantha Newell, Vedich Gal 109, and Linda Ellifson. You guys are the best. Thank you so much. Don't forget to hit the like button and to subscribe. Thanks everyone. Love you a latte.